When it comes to chronic headaches such as migraines, too many doctors simply treat the symptoms and never really get to the actual cause of your problem simply because they do not know. Today, we know the most common problem that causes headaches was damage to one or more of the spinal ligaments. You may not know this, but there are over 220 specialized ligaments that contribute to your spine's stability, 23 of which are discs. For many of you, you've had an MRI and nothing was really found. Chances are good there's other ligament damage that was never detected that may be the cause of your headaches, and if properly treated, you may see a resolution to your condition. At our office, our primary focus is on these non-disc and disc spinal ligament injuries. To get to the cause of your problems, please set up an appointment with our office today. Life is too short to be in pain all of the time.